Hey folks, welcome to 307 Park Avenue Extension in beautiful Southport, North Carolina. I am Jack Hamilton with the Hamilton Realty Group at eXp, and we are just so pleased to be representing this property. Let me tell you a little bit about this home. It was built in 1973. It offers over 2,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths on the main level. And let's talk about upstairs. It is a complete 1-bedroom efficiency unit that is one of Southport's top Airbnbs, Serenity. It has been updated. In fact, recent additions have been upgrades to the master bath, the guest bath, and you'll just see that it's just very well taken care of. Wonderful open floor plan, easy living. So check out this over half-acre lot, which actually is at the 3rd highest elevation of properties in Southport. So the lot is heavily wooded and has tons and tons of azaleas. It is actually one of Southport's most private settings. So we appreciate you taking the time to view this property at 307 Park Avenue Extension. Meet my friends Sherman and Lily. They do not stay with the property, but maybe for the right price. But in all seriousness, you know that if you want to take a look at this property, please reach out to myself or one of our team members. You can call us, you can text us, you can private message us. This property will not last long.